the American child spends drastically less time outside than they did a decade ago. Schools across the country have either reduced or eliminated the amount of time that students spend at recess. While children are spending more time at school and at home staring into a screen. As a result, children are not outside jumping in puddles, climbing on trees, and exploring nature. The benefits of connecting children with nature have been well documented. Promoting children's connection to nature can lead to reduced stress, improved nutrition, and increased physical activity.
The Nature of Teaching Health and Wellness is a 2-day experiential workshop that focuses on improving mental well-being, nutrition, and physical activity. Our program will help your students emotionally connect with nature and engage in more physical activity. During the workshop, you will also have the opportunity to visit a school garden where you can learn how it can link to your classroom lessons. To learn more about our workshops and access our resources, visit us online at the Purdue Extension Nature of Teaching website.